Now bazophuma bakhona abathandi babafilimu njengoba kuzoba khona indumezulu yokuqala ngqanya kathi sifundazwe KwaZulu-Natal iRichards Bay International Film Festival ezobenzwa yona ke inkampani yazo ukuthi ke iBlack Shadow Pictures okuyona ke umsunguli wayo kuyena ke uZamani Mhlongo okhona ke kuloko hlelo lethu ukukhuluma kabanzi ngayo ke nje inqophamlando yazo ukuthi ke iRichards Bay International Film Festival ezobenza ngayo ke umhla ka5 kuya ku7 kuyona ke indawo yakaSokhulu. Angikubingelele mbukeli igama lami nguSimangele Sibongo sami ngwakachira ubukela uhlelo iCatering News Talk. Asiqhuquzeleke mbukeli bayingxenye yaloko lelo hlelo esikuthulela lana kuloke usuku namhlanje sebenzisa ke inkundla zethu zokuxhumana ukudlulisa ke nje umbuzo wakho makuthi ke umthandi wefuba amafilimu ukhona ke uMr Mhlongo kuloke nje uhlelo lethu ukhuluma kabanzi ngawo ke lomkhakha kanjalo nayo ke ifilimu noma ke ifestival ezobiyenzeka kuyona ke indawo yakaSokhulu. Asikubingelele ke Mr Mhlongo sikwamukele kuCatering News Talk kwintokozo enkulu ukuthi sibe nawo.
Ngibingelela ababukeli ngibingelele nawe Sima ngiyabonga kakhulu nami ukuthi ngibe la kwiNews Talk show igama lami nguZamani Mhlongo njengoba kade ushilo so ngiyi-festival director for iRichards Bay International Film Festival and also iRichards Bay International Film Festival izobe hostwe i-production company ebizwa ukuthi iBlack Shadow Pictures okuyi-production company engiyifounder kuyona.
Nokucabanga ukuthi kwinto enhle kakhulu edinga ukuthi ishaye lihlombe ngicabanga ukuthi uletha into abantu abazobe bebheke ngamehla bomvu mangabe uzokhuluma ngefilm festival it's something esivamisa ukuthi ibukele endaweni efana njengoThekwini, Goli, Cape Town njalo but you are bringing it back endaweni yakoSokhulu phansi emakhaya into ehlezi ilangazelelwe njalo la ukuthi naseyindaweni ezisemakhaya ake kube khona into efana njengale. Talk to us about what inspired the idea yini lento eqoqozela ukuthi uqhamuke nalolu hlobo lefestival.
Engakusho Sima ukuthi since ngikulomkhakha we-filming industry so kuningi umuntu akakufundile kwi-journey akakuyona so umuntu belokhu attenda nje ama-film festival so maningi ama-festival esengiwa-attendile since ngikulomkhakha we-filming industry so ngenga-attenda ama-festival amakhulu including iDurban International Film Festival and also MIP Africa ese-Cape Town so umuntu waye-attenda futhi that is a film and market esukuyenzeka each and every year so uku-attenda lawo ma-festivals lawo kungikhuthisile kahle when it comes to lomkhakha lona since ngiwumbhali ngiphinde futhi ngibe i-producer when it comes to lomkhakha we-filming industry so then ukufunda for uku-attenda lawo ma-festivals so that is where lapho nami ngingarealize khona ukuthi no since mina ngisuka emakhaya la ngempela umkhakha wakwa-filming industry ongekho khona so kanti mina nginayo i-dream noma nginayo le goal le yokuthi when it comes to lomkhakha ngiyafisa ukuthi kube ne-development eyenzeka from rural communities so that is where nami engithe while ngirana i-production company iBlack Shadow Pictures engithe no ngoba sengifundile sengiyazi ngalomkhakha lo and when we talking about i-film festival sengiyazi ukuthi i-festival iranwa kanjani udinga inani kusuke kwenzakalani so kuqala ekufundeni kuqala so kusho ukuthi mina ngaqala ngafunda ngaba kuleyo journey nje ukuthi kufanele ngifunde so attending amanye ama-festivals then that is where ngirealize khona ukuthi no lelo khulena kufanele ngiyilethe ngakithi and laba bantu laba bababuka ku-TV kufanele mina ngibathathe ngibalethe ngakithi because inhloso enkulu ukuthi sifuna ukuphakamisa umkhakha wakwa-film emakhaya ngoba usuku ungekho so some of the people they used to go eGoli for ukuthi bekwazi ukuthi bethole ama-opportunities so that is why mina ngithe no angilethe lo mkhakha lana eRichards Bay ngaphansi kwe-district okuyiKingcetshwayo district ngaphansi kwamasipala uMfolozi local municipality for ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi usize abantu abafuna ukungena kulomkhakha not ukuthi beze be endaweni ezikude for lomkhakha.
Ningakhulu imibuzo esenginayo from impendulo yakho ubheka ukuthi mhlawumbe umasipala umukela kanjani le program enhle kangaka othi uzoyiletha endaweni esemaphandleni kakhulu njengoba uveza amaphuzu abalekile ukuthi abantu abadumile isikhathi esiningi abantu abazenze kulezi ndawo babagcina ukuthi makuthi baye emadolobheni noma bebabukela kona mabona kude but you're saying ukuthi this time around you don't need to go endaweni esedolobheni sizoba letha la abantu so that bazokwazi ukuthi babe inspired but ngifuna ukuthi ngaphambi kokuba siqhubekele phambili sibheke eminye imibuzo just to look at uthando lwefilm kubantu abakhona bazenze kulezi ndawo ikakhulukazi mangabe sizobheka abantu abasha lungakanani uthando lwefilm
sima uthando lwefilm lukhona kakhulu especially nje njengoba mina ngingaphansi kwe district okukhingcetshwayo district municipality so lukhulu kakhulu even from umfolozi local municipality lukhulu kakhulu uthando lwefilm cause ngiye ngaba i-film representative umfolozi in fact ngiseyiyona i-film representative emfolozi so ngikuyi-forum laphana ekhingcetshwayo district municipality for i-film forum so sengisholo ukuthi ama-film makers akhona around khingcetshwayo district municipality so sijwayele ukuhlangana nawo so baningi even nabafisa ukuthi bephakame when it comes to lomkhakha wakafilm so le festival lena i-Richards Bay International Film Festival masinqamlela sithi RBF so silethele wona ama film makers akhona khona la around iKingcetshwa district municipality because we know I know ukuthi there is ama film makers but uthola ukuthi mhlambe for ukuthi umuntu athole ulwazi kufanele ezegibele eGoli kufanele eze eThekwini so zonke indawo la ongathola kuzona ulwazi when it comes to i-filming industry.
Ngiyafuna ukuthi sibheke just wona nje lomkhakha kakhulu ngabe uveza ukuthi ngokocwaningo lakho as a personal vele khona kulomkhakha not just namhlanje but usebekuwona kulomkhakha for some time ziningi inombolo zabantu abakhona ngaphansi kwawo lomkhakha ngiyafuna ukuthi ubheke ukuthi umkhakha obaleke kangakanani because we do know that some of the reasons why abanye abantu bacala bengangeni kona is because of ukuthi ubonakala kumkhakha oqhelile kakhulu naseyindaweni ezisemaphandleni nakuba abantu benalo uthando lokuthi bangene kuona lo mkhakha ngiyafuna nje ukubheka ukuthi umkhakha obaleke kangakanani zamani uma ngabe uzobheka na umnotho wezwe laseNingizimu Afrika ukuthi abantu abakulomkhakha basemathumeni amangakanani ekuthenini bayithole impilo zabo ziguquka kakhulu in terms of ezeyimali.
Yabo masikhuluma ngalomkhakha losima we filming industry including acting industry so there is a lot esuke yenzeka kona and also have ama department ahlukene so that means even isikhuluma ngama actors so ama actors now ayathinteka when it comes to lomkhakha then we talking about behind the scene so we do have imisebenzi eminingi esokuyenzeka behind the scene so if kushootwa noma kwenziwa iproject noma kwenziwa imovie so that means amathuba emisebenzi maningi kakhulu and futhi lomkhakha lona when it comes to umnotho wala eSouth Africa so udlala indima enkulu kabi ngoba ngikhuluma ngeRichards Bay International Film Festival so we're talking about people from Joburg abazobe bezo attenda i-Richards Bay International Film Festival so that means labo bantu labo ukuze beze kwi-festival i-tourism siyathinteka same time because labo bantu labo sebedinga ukuthi manje bebe nendawo yokubhuka abazolala kuyona so that means umnotho wa la Richards Bay uyakhona ukuthi uphakame ngoba we gonna have ama visitors from Durban from Joburg abazobe bezokwazi ukuthi bezolala kuma guest house ala kuma hotel alana and they paying ukuthi belale lapho so including even ne traveling yokuthi beze la so lokho kusho ukuthi lo mkhakha lona ungawubuka ngazathi mhlambe ubuke ngeso lokuthi mhlawumbe uhamba uphele lapha but ubanze kakhulu masikhuluma ngawo and it comes with amathuba amaningi emsebenzi for the industry lena njengoba nje sihostile le festival definitely sure we do have abantu and abanye futhi we do have abantu abazodinga indawo zokulala for ukuthi beze kwi festival ngoba i festival izorana 3 days and sekufanele bethole everything ethinta accommodation.
Masibe ukuthengisa bakethe songena kona ngqo le festival ukuthi usidobele isithombe sinabili ukuthi kuzobe kwenzakalani from day 1 until day 3. Asikubambe isithengise mangabe sibuya sobe sabalala kabanzi kuleyo mpendulo. Asibingelele mbukeli sikwamukele kusona ke nje isigaba sesibili saloke nje uhlele lakho iCatering News Talk uyibukela igama uSimangeli Sibongo ngwakachirwa kanti ke kuluhlele lithi mawusanda kuvulela imabona kude angikutshele ke mbukeli ukuthi ke sithanjele uyena ke uMr Zamani Mhlongo omsungula phinde futhi abayena ke umqondisi ke production company yazwa ngokuthi ke iBlack Shadow Pictures nizobe singatheke ifestival enkulu engqophamlando yazwa ngokuthi ke iRichards Bay International Film Festival nizobe yenzeka ke nje ukuqala yona ke inyakatho esifundazwe esakazweni Natal ukhuluma kabanzi ke ngawo ke nje amathuba akhona ngaphansi kwakho lo mkhakha nokubheka ukuthi ke ubaluleke kangakanani kakhulukazi njengoba ke sazi ukuthi ke izinto ezifana njengalezi zivame kakhulu eindaweni ke ezikude noma ke eziqhelile nendawo ke ezisemaphandleni njengoba bethi ngaphansi kwayo ke iBlack Shadow Pictures bafuna ukuthi ke lokho kube into ke esiphelayo ukuthi ke izinto ezifana lezi zenzeka ke nje emadolobheni kuphela. Umcimbi lozokwenza ngawo ke umhla ka5 kuya ke u7 December kuyona ke ihholo lazo ngokuthi ke isokhulu hall but ke yena kuMr Mhlongo sazochaza kabanzi ukutshela ke noma ukudobela isithombe siphelele mbukeli ukuthi ke yiphi indawo exactly ozobonza kakona ke nomcimbi njengoba belindele nje abantu abahlukahlukene abevela konke ke noma ke konke ke amakhona aloke izwe laseNingizimu Afrika bazenze kuyona ke noma bagxile kuona umkhakha wayo ke nje ifilimi. Ngiyafuna ukuthi sibheke la Mr Zamani sidobela isithombe siphelele ukuthi ke from day 1 because umcimbi uzokwenzeka izinsuku ezintathu. Talk to us what's going to be happening asidobela isithombe nje ukuthi kusukela ngomhla ka1 kuya ngomhla ka3 ikona kupho kuzokwenzeka usushila isigabeni sokuqala sohlelo ukuthi nilindele abantu abanye ababukela nje komabona kude and I believe you are also expecting abantu abasafuna ukungena kuona now lo mkhakha but let's just begin by looking at ukuthi umhla ka1 until umhla ka3 kuzokwenzakalani.
All right, njengoba usho Sima, we have 3 days of RBF okwe Richards Bay International Film Festival. So we have day 1. Day 1 sizoqala ngo9 AM till 4 PM. So that means for day 1 sizobe senza ilokhu film screening.
Okay.
So njengoba senza iRBF kunama filmmakers sike saba ne call for submission la ama filmmakers besubmita khona ama films wawo noma ama projects wawo. So day 1 sobe siscreena lawo ama film lawo.
Okay.
So ama film screening then also
abasuka ke phela bokuxola ukuphazamisa Mr Mhlongo la kule screening enzobe nisenze zithi ama local filmmakers noma just everyone ozobe ingxenye yayo ngqophamlando festival.
Okay, mhlambe ukuchaza ngeRBF njengoba si Richards Bay International Film Festival, so that means we are international.
Okay.
So that means I project esuke ikhona la even ngathiwa isuka overseas. So nje ngizokwenza isibonelo kwiRBF sine project ekhona esinayo enye yayo i-documentary yenziwe eMali.
Okay.
So we do have ama project kanjalo. So that means it's not like ukuthi kufanele kuba abantu abalocally abasubmitayo but even abantu abasuka kwamanye ama countries ezisinawo ama project asubmithiwe. Day 1 sizobe senza ama film screening. We're doing film screenings for lama project asubmithiwe.
Okay.
Then after that we have a panel discussion.
Okay.
So la sobe siletha khona ama producers akwi industry azobe kwi panel then ekwazi ukuthi akhulume regards to their journey. Then lapho esebe bakwazi ukuthi bephendula iaudience ezobe khona if ifuna ukubuza imibuzo iyabuza.
Okay.
So for day 1 sizobe sinama directors azobe khona so for film and television.
Okay.
So nakhona azokhuluma ngejourney yawo, then after that bese kuba ne Q&A session la kuzobe umuntu ofuna ukubuza then uyabuza.
Okay.
So then after that I'm still talking about day 1.
Yeah.
After that siyabuya siza kwi opening night ngawo lo usuku la ngomhla ka 5. So I opening night seqala ngo6 ntambama up until 10 ebusuku. So lapho ke we have a project eyodwa esobe si screener, so ezobe is special for that night. So then kufanele mina ngiselect as a festival director and together with ama organizers esenza nawo festival. So kufanele si select a project so screener for that night. So then si select a project eyenziwa uGodfather bambiza Godfather Dlamini. So maningi ama project seka director naye because udirectile umkhokha the case wa director My Brother's Keeper and also kwasebenza nakwisibaya. So then njengamanje udirector iHustle Suite director njengamanje. So a project yakhe le a one time pin, so it's clear le so be say screener for that opening night. Okay. So that is our day 1. After that sesobe sesiba for opening night sesobe sesiba ne Q&A session because now zobe khona la kufanele aphendule khona for imibuzo. Then I'm not sure noma I can go to day 2.
Ku day 2 ngicela nje uyibambe sithengise mangabe sibuya uyobona abakabanzi ngo day 2 ukuthi uzobukwenzakalani. Asithengise mbule catering news talk mangabe sibuya singena kuthi isigaba sokugcina seloko nje uhlelo lakho i-catering news talk uyibukelayo. Asikubingelele mukeli sikwamkeleke kusuke nje isigaba sokugcina seloko nje uhlelo esikuthulela lona kubona ke ebusuku banamhlanje igama uSimangele Isibongo ngwakachirwa kanti ke kuluhlelo sinaye ke uMr Zamani Mhlongo umsungula phinde futhi abe uyena ke umqondiswa yenkampani yazwa ukuthi ke iBlack Shadow Pictures abahleleke ingqophamlando ke festival noma ke film festival yazwa ukuthi ke iRichards Bay International Film Festival izobenza ngako mhla ka 5 to 7 kona ke unyanga ka December nalapho futhi aqoqozela wonke umuntu ukuthi ke aphume ngobuningi ukuzoba ingxenye yayo ke lenqophamlando yefilm. Asinikezele lithuba Mr Mhlongo ukuthi unabeka abantu ngo day 2 njengoba usichazela ukuthi day 1 ikona kuphi singakulindela, day 2 ikona kuphi singakulindela kona.
Alright, day 2 njengoba ngeke ngasho ukuthi sine number enganani yamafilm asubmithiwe then sawa selector. But then lawo mafilm lawo engwabala out 32. So it not like ukuthi kusubmithe wona kuphela but isubmission ibinkulu then thina as iRBF bese kufanele sigcine sesiphuma nale number la ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sirun ifestival.
Nakhona kukhona izinto enibhekile kulabo engcineni baselect ukuthi mhlawumbe bakwazile ukuthi bayiphase ngokwama requirement enu nathi ngicina senithatha bona.
Yes, siyakuchecka lokho ukuthi ifilm ekusiphi standards when it comes to equality, how professional it is. So izinto esibukayo is it good in for ukuthi si screen for abantu.
And I believe ukuthi for umbukeli othanda ukuthi angene kulomkhakha ozobe ingxenye yawo lenqophamlando festival kodwa engasubmithanga noma ufakile isubmission kodwa wangaselect into yakhe kuyomsiza ukuthi abe ingxenye yayo ukuze afunde alalele ukuthi izona ziphi izinto ebenilindele kuyena ukuze kwazi ukuthi ifilm yakhe naye ibe ingxenye yalawo awu32 engcineni wathathile nokumlekelela ukuthi ngonyaka ozayo akwazi naye ukuthi ifilm yakhe ayithole ingxenye yalawo azobe screen.
Yes, ngise day 2 okay ngicela ukuphendula lokho ke for abantu esingakwazanga ukuthatha ama projects wabo. So bakhona baningi bebefisa ukuthi escreen kwi Richards Bay International Film Festival what we doing first annual.
Okay.
So siba inviteile siba sendelile ama official invitation ukuthi bebe khona because asifuna ukuthi umuntu kube as if iyabhedi project yakhe so but ngoba senza le festival senzela ukuthi kulokho akaleke khona efike ezofunda so that is why kufanele sim-invite ukuthi la akangenzaka kahle lapho kule project yakhe efike ezothola ulwazi ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani lapho so let me go straight to day 2 day 2 still nakhona we doing ama film screenings we have a panel discussion then we have acting for camera master class then we have script writing master class so acting for camera esobe siyenzelwa uMduduzi Nombela so actor kumalanga wafana manje then ukwa actor na kwimbewu so then we have script writing esobe senziwa uLungile Ngcongo so udirector we House of Sweet so uzobe khona naye kwasokhulu ezo support festival nanokuthi naye uzobe busy esenzela script writing master class so that is day 2 wethu uzobe ume kanjalo nje film screenings and also ama master class panel discussion
okay all right asingene ku day 3
okay day 3 nakhona kuthi akube into efanayo just that kuyahlukana ukuthi okay kwenzakalani ke manje okay ku day 3 we also have ama film screening cause maningi ama film so siyaqhubeka sisenza ama film screening then sine master class sine master class ikhona ngiziphutha khona sine master class kahle u director House of Sweet wenza i directing master class so I think fanele kulungise lapho ngithe ukuphambanisa uLungile Ngcongo wenza i directing master class on day 2 then on day 3 there is a script writing master class esenziwa uSimanga Cebane ulokhu nayo sesebenza kakhulu esikhamtho lomkhakha uSimanga so uzobe enza i directing master class then bese senza ama film screening so i program ethi izobe ime kanjalo for 3 days
okay and enibhekayo kubantu abafuna ukuthi babe ingxenye yalomcimbi it's just uthanda abantu abandothando longena kulomkhakha mhlawumbe sikunikeze ithuba mzomhlongo ukuthi outline ukuthi abantu abanothando mhlawumbe le camera ngenza isibonelo abantu abanothando le directing abantu abanothando le producing njalo if you can outline for us ukuthi yibona bapha abantu enibalindele kakhulu nenibatargete kakhulu ukuthi babe ingxenye le festival
engakusho ukuthi njengoba silethe emakhaya akujwayelekile ukuqala ukuthi into efana nale ihanjiswe emakhaya so thina silethe emakhaya ngoba sikuyona industry siyazi ukuthi kunzima kangakanani if kulomkhakha usemakhaya futhi so istruggle siyasazi so that is why sithena la abantu ke sibalethe beze khona kasokhulu so but mangakhuluma ngalokho ukuthi abantu ekufanele sibalindele ukuthi bebe khona for ukuzothola ulwazi so abantu nje ngisho ngakuthiwa unothando lwe-acting njengoba ngeke ngabala i-acting for camera master class which soba nayo so if unothando lokuthi wena ufuna ukuba i-actor so siyakumema ukuthi ufike kwi-festival so if nje uthanda because baningi abantu behluphe ethi umuntu ngifuna ukuba i-actor omunye ethi ngifuna ukwenza ukuthi so uthola ukuthi ulwazi akanati fanele enze njani that is why we bringing i-Richards Bay International Film Festival ukuthi izokwazi ukuthi ilethe light to those people abadinga ukuthi bekhanyiseleke so noma ubani kahle onothando lalomkhakha esikuwona i-filming industry sizobe sesikhangane hall from kwasokhulu from 5 to 7 December ukuthi efike ezokwazi ukuthi ethole ulwazi so everyone nanokuthi ke into enye sithe masibuka sithe no kujwayele ukukhokhwa yazi kuma event afana nalawo so sayithi no asingabakhokhisa abantu so then we sino free entrance so that means everything nje kuzobe kumahala ungena lapho kuzobe kwenziwa khona i-festival kuyivenue so it's not like ukuthi bazokhokha mawukhona nje ngisho ngithiwa usuka kuphi sizobe sikwasokhulu thina elokhu esikhangane hall so and free entry
ukwenza umcimbi ofana njengale njomane akukona umcimbi omncane kuza nama cost amaningi kuza nezindleko eziningi yiwo lokumele lithola abantu abazobe bekhona bengxenye lomcimbi nokunye kuzobe kwenzeka in terms of support because we do know that nani as a Black Shadow Pictures ni inkampani esakhulayo nenza kanjani ukuze nikwazi ukuthi ni host such a big festival
yes engakusho kokuqala ukuthi kuqala ngokuthi into uyenze ibe idream yakho then after that bese uthi ayikho into engangivimba ukuthi ngiyenze lento le so sengisho ukuthi if we can check ukuthi fanele uze ube nosizo olungaka noma olukhulu ukuze wenze something. Once waqala into ayitshela engqondweni yakho ukuthi I can do this, so you go for it, then uyakwazi ukuthi uyenze. Sengiqonda ukusho ukuthi it's not like ukuthi we have ama sponsors amaningi when it comes to le festival le. So but bakhona abantu abasupported. So lapha engizobala khona wona uKing Cetshwayo district municipality kukhona okwazile ukuthi ukwenze for ukuthi kwenzeke ifestival. Then if sikhuluma ngevenue, so ivenue umphakathi asikhonanga ukuthi sikhiphele imali, so nayo ibe ukuthi vele siletha idevelopment emphakathini. So then iKhanya M creatives solution, so yenza umsebenzi omkhulu kakhulu iKhanya M, because everything even ethinta marketing iyona edila nalo umsebenzi loyo. So because they are by marketing agency, so nabo basilethile sponsor, so ukuthi wherever la sifuna khona izinto zaka marketing bayakwazi ukuthi basupport. So and also Dr Manyoni, so naye khona isupport akayifakile ekuthenini akwazi ukuthi asilekelele uDr Manyoni dental care. So usupportile naye lapho nalapho ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi senze festival ukuthi yenzeke. So then ke kunama sponsors engeke ngikhulume ngawo kakhulu ku TV ngoba njengamanje akaka approve indaba yakhona. But isupport lapho nalapho sitholile, and also i-hour of praise ngeke ngize ngikhohle nayo, because hour of praise inkonzo esemzingazi. So then sithema siyakubona futhi nakhona sithi asinama funding kahle, but siyadinga ukwenza lento yenzeke. So kahle kahle kusebenza ukuthi ukuze iphupho lakho lizama ukufezeka, kusebenza ukuthi wazana nobani and futhi bona bangasiza kuphi. Siyabonga kakhulu, mhlawumbe ukushiya number yami because khona abanye abangajwayele ukusebenzisa ama email, khona abavele nje bebone kunzima, kulula makuthiwa uyakufonela noma uyak WhatsApp. Inumber yami mhlawumbe for ukuyishiya 8083 355 1091 083 355 1091. You can ungangicheck na kwi-email yami zamane_876@gmail.com.
Njomane sibonga kakhulu ngasokho nje isikhathi sakho osiphesona kuloke uhlelo lethu. Usimangelwa kaChiro ngihamba nalo lonke ngethimba leKaizer and Newstalk. Asiphinde futhi ehlelweni.